Hi guys, I will show the basic step of making homemade Nigerian coconut chips. It is easy to prepare with simple ingredients, sweet homemade coconut candy. Let's get started. You will need to crack your coconut. I'm using fresh coconut, so I'm going to use hammer to crack my coconut. It can be a little bit messy, but just be very careful with your hand when you are doing this process. This is a very delicious Nigerian snacks and is one of those popular Nigerian snacks that you can make with just three ingredients and you get a perfect coconut chips or coconut candy. So crack your coconut and bring out the water. This water is very useful. So I'm going to sieve the water, then we start cutting our coconut. So I want to make the coconut water very clean. So that is the outcome. So step this aside. I'll go ahead and use a small knife or a sharp object to remove your coconut from the shell. Just be very careful when you are doing this. So this is the process of doing it, and it's very easy to do as well. You can be lucky and your coconut will come out from the shell when you are cracking it. So this is the outcome. Wash your coconut and start cutting to get a coconut flakes. The process is very simple and it's very easy to make, and you are going to enjoy the taste of this homemade Nigeria coconut candy. I used to love this when I was growing up, and it's one of those snacks that you can take to school, and it's one of the snacks that you can enjoy at home as well. If you are hungry of this or you are eager to eat the snacks, just follow this step and you are going to get the perfect method of making your coconut candy. I used to love this so much, but be careful when you are making this thing. You can use grater to grate this to get your coconut flakes, or you can use your knife to cut it just the way I'm doing in the video. So this is the outcome after using one coconut. I use one fresh coconut for this coconut candy recipe, this coconut chips recipe. It's very easy process to prepare. Less than 30 minutes, you are going to get that your perfect coconut candy recipe. It doesn't really take too much effort in making this, but you just have to follow this video to get the process of making your coconut candy. So that is our coconut flakes is ready. In a pot or in a pan, add your coconut flakes, then add quarter teaspoon of salt just to season the coconut. You don't really need to cook this for a long time. You just need to stir this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and your coconut will be we have that taste of salt in it. You don't need to add your salt while you are melting your sugar. Remove your salted coconut flakes from the pan, then go ahead and add half cup of sugar. We are going to make this sugar to get a syrup, form of syrup. When you are doing this, just be patient, keep on stirring, do not leave it. When it's in this stage, it can easily get burned if you do not keep on stirring it. Like if you just leave it that way, just keep on stirring until you get this consistency of your melted butter, like your syrup. So it's not perfectly ready. I want you can see, you can still see some sugar in it that is not fully melted. So let it melt a little bit, keep on stirring, don't give up, keep on doing this until you get that perfect syrup. So this is the outcome of our syrup. Add your salted coconut flakes into your sugar syrup, melted sugar, then keep stirring. This At this point it can be a little bit tricky because it's going to be very sticky when you are mixing. Keep on mixing this until you find it like brown, lot of brown, like the coconut is brown. That is the outcome when you get a perfect coconut chips or coconut candy. This homemade sweet Nigeria coconut candy is very tasty. This is one of those snacks that is very common in Nigeria in the 90s, 80s. It's very common snacks that kids can have in school. It's a snacks that you can buy in your school cafe, and it's very common in Nigeria as a snacks. So this is how to make it. If you in 80s, I said in 90s is very common. I remember when I was very growing up, I liked this coconut candy a lot. So I just remember this recipe. So a couple of days ago, I was like, let me share this recipe with you guys. Let me show you how to make sweet Nigeria coconut candy. So this is the outcome. It's not fully ready, so we'll just allow it to cook for a minute. So I'll bring it out from the stove top, allow it to cool down. This is it. You can see it's very golden color in nature, and our coconut candy is ready. Let me show you how to mold it into shape, like a round shape. This is the common shape that you can find in your school cafe in the streets of Nigeria. So this is how to mold it. Remember, let this thing very cool, let it cool down before you can mold it, or else you can get yourself hot, you can stick to your hand. So just mold it. Just put a little bit water in your hand, or you can also use this method by using your spoon to scoop it and just roll it in your spoon. It come out perfectly, and it tastes so good, and it is very delicious. So this is how to make coconut chips, sweet Nigeria coconut candy. You have any question about these coconut chips, please do not forget to leave it in section. I'm always here to share you more Nigeria snacks, more delicious homemade easy recipe that you can enjoy with your family. My kids can't wait to eat this, and I love this coconut candy so much. So thanks so much for watching my coconut chips. Please do not forget to check more of my recipe, and please remember to subscribe, like. I will see you in my next video.